This is the Amazon Rainforest exhibit in the Audubon Aquarium of the Americas, New Orleans, Louisiana. Featuring some very large catfish, big red-tailed cats, freshwater stingrays. A big Oscar back there. Some big pacu. People buy these at pet shops when they're about 2 inches long, thinking that they're cute. A while later, they're trying to give them to the aquarium, only to be told that they have too many pacu as it is. A very large vegetarian cousin to the piranha.
Wow, look at this.
Supposed to taste good though.